Hi, this video is to give you information about MBA in Business Analytics. So now a lot of colleges are coming up with this course on MBA BA, and Bangalore has a course on Business Analytics. So why so crazy about it, and what is so important? Is it purely IT? What is it exactly? That's what this video will tell you about. So how is it different from other fields? Now what happens in Business Analytics? You learn about business definitely. I mean you will learn business knowledge, but you'll also learn technical and analytical skills of using data. So technically what has happened nowadays is data has become very important. A lot of decisions are taken based on data. So you need a person who understands data which comes along and understand business so that they can take strategic decision making as such. I mean, you understand data, interpret the data, and then use the data to come up with decisions that can benefit the business. So if you're interested in using business problems with data, I mean, solving business problems with data, it is one, you can use this. I mean, you want to solve problems because a lot of things nowadays use data in a lot of business cases. Before you actually go and solve the problem, they try to use data to help solve issues. Okay. Also, there is a gap business, what happens and what does not. So this data, this data will help you bridge that gap with regards to business. So it will give you a big picture. You learn about management, you learn about marketing, finance, which are all about it. But you'll also learn about a little bit of IT, not programming purely, but to help you understand how to interpret data to get better, output with regards to decision making. So the idea is data-driven decisions. That's the basic focus area of business analytics. And whatever decisions that you make will be more impactful because it is more data-driven. It's backed by science. Let me put it that way. So can non-engineers pursue MBA? I don't see a problem in that. You don't have to have IT knowledge, prior IT knowledge to do business analytics. Understand, business analytics is not purely IT. Though yes, it uses numbers, that is there. It's heavily quantitative, but it is not IT. The focus is on business applications. Okay. So basically answer business questions. Whatever business questions are there, how do you answer with that? Okay. And it doesn't necessarily be coding. If you look at it, is not that IT coding stuff. You learn Python, you learn SQL, you learn a little bit of that. But the idea of learning that is to help you use the data to interpret, to take business decisions. So it's quantitative. You're interested in cons, you're interested in data, you're interested in numbers. I think it's a good field to be in, where you learn a little bit of programming language to help take this data into a higher level. Okay, and so even if you're non-engineering field, it's perfectly all right. You can use your knowledge about non-engineering into, to help understand data and interpret data in your own, innovative way. That's how the whole thing is. So understand, it's not necessary to have a programming knowledge before you join the program. It's okay, you can learn. They will teach you in the course Python, SQL, whatever is required to analyze the data. It's not coding purely. Understand, it is analyzing the data using some computer tools to get better decisions that are there, and you will be part of that decision making process, right? So what are the different roles? There is business analyst, business intelligence analyst, and what is happening around computers, your etc. Consultant use business data. You have data science and analytics management trainee, product manager, risk manager. So all this uses data, and these roles are becoming more and more important as we go ahead, because a lot of companies require data to come up with decision making, and that's where there's a demand for it, and you will have a lot of courses on this. I hope this is clear. We'll come up with more videos that will help you understand different fields of management. Thank you.